It's 1988 in Monte Carlo, and everybody to their moms is watching silently, clutching for what's about to happen. As Ayrton Senna da Silva, driving the MP4 Dayglow McLaren, will go on to outqualify his teammate, four-time world champion Alain Prost by an unbelievable 1.5 seconds. Born in Sao Paulo, Brazil in the 1960s to a wealthy family of three, Ayrton being the middle child, at just 4 years old, his ambition of becoming a comet will flourish in the form of go-kart racing, where he will go on to demonstrate that it was more than just a gift he possessed. Ayrton knew that if he wanted to fly, he would need a bigger engine. Divorcing his wife and forsaking a future in his father's business, the man packed his bags and embarked on a journey to Britain, where he will go on to race Formula 3, winning an astounding 5 championships in 3 years. This momentum he was building earned him a seat at Tolman, beginning his first debut with the big boys in 1984. After a successful run with Lotus, he decided that the fastest way up was with McLaren, where he went in 1988 and stayed for 6 seasons, achieving an outstanding 35 wins and 3 world championships, while also giving us the best the world has ever seen of Senna. His ability to just dial in and understand the car at that level of synchronicity and detail made him an empath in the eyes of engineers. This application of knowledge and sheer will made Ayrton push the car and himself to levels the world of Formula 1 had never witnessed. Dancing his way into the rain, he had a sixth sense for knowing where the car's grip was at all times, an ability to stay on the edge of the line by tapping on the brake and gas with such precision, which exposed the car's true absolute grip through the corners. From scrapping with veterans to aggressive overtakes, precision maintenance, and the ability to press other drivers made him a menace on race day. Respected by all pros for his bravery and compassion, Senna was a well-spoken man, intelligent, a person who cared for his family, friends, teammates, and other pilots. A man of God above all, who gave millions to underprivileged children. Tragically, as we all know, his move to Williams in 1994 would be his ill-fated last. With the introduction of the Williams FW16, Senna had expressed that, and I quote, "I have a very negative feeling about driving this car and driving it on the limit and so on." From his discontentment with the car to advocating for driver safety with then retired Alain Prost, after the passing of Austrian rookie Roland Ratzenberg on May 1st, Senna rounded the high-speed Tamburello corner on lap 7. His car left the racing line at 191 miles an hour, smashing into the concrete barrier and taking his life immediately before his 35th birthday. Considered a national tragedy, the entire country of Brazil grieved his passing in a display that showed the world how much he meant to all of us. Ayrton was more than just a driver. He was an art style, a craftsman perfectionist with a pure heart that will forever and truly be rejoiced as one of the greatest Formula 1 drivers of all time.
By being a racing driver means you are racing with other people. And if you no longer go for a gap that exists, you're no longer a racing driver.